That cracked chair leg or split tabletop isn't trash. It's a 20-minute fix. Most people toss good furniture over a crack that wood glue and a cramp could have saved. Step 1. Open the crack gently by flexing the wood and vacuum out any dust or old debris trapped inside. Wipe the surfaces with mineral spirits on a rag to strip away wax or polish so glue can actually bond. Step 2. Choose your adhesive based on the gap. For a tight hairline crack, use yellow wood glue worked in with a thin palette knife or toothpick. For a wider structural split, use 2-part epoxy so it fills the gap instead of soaking away. Step 3. Clamp the crack shut with a bar clamp or strong rubber bands using scrap wood pads so the metal jaws don't dent the surface. Wipe away squeeze-out glue immediately with a damp rag, then let it cure a full 24 hours undisturbed. Step 4. Once cured, sand the repaired seam flush with 150 grit, then 220 grit sandpaper, always moving with the wood grain. Spot touch the area with matching stain or finish so the repair disappears instead of standing out. Pro tip: never grab super glue for a structural crack. It dries brittle and snaps right back open under weight. Test your stain match on a hidden spot first. What furniture piece are you fixing? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.